realized too after I cleaned the camera that I had it on the wrong setting. It was on like full screen for some reason. Well, I have an old GoPro, so anyway, we are aired up. We first need to get gas because my car is thirsty. So we're gonna take a quick trip to Wawa, get some gasolina. That, my friends, is a cop. Those are exhaust, bro. Let's go out a little bit lower. Oh man, so we made it to Wawa, my guys. Yeah, that thing keeps hitting the visor now and I have no idea why. I think the heat like warped it. But we gotta make sure we get to the 93, because 93 is for me. No, I'm joking, I need 91. Yeah, I think, let's check. What do we have here? There's 93. That one might have 91. I need 91. Yep, we got 91, boys. I was not recording and I just hit one of the biggest bumps ever and it sounded like my car broke. But we are here, my guys. My favorite car wash ever. I've been going here since I was like 16 and I'm 28 now. And it has not changed. Okay. Time to air out. Such a beautiful sound, and it never gets old. You know, I have to do that because if I don't, it starts to like, I don't even know what it's called. It just starts to calibrate itself, and then it just starts going up. So maybe there's something I'm doing wrong. My goodness, guys, I just forgot. I forgot to bring a towel to dry my car. I hope I have some in the back. Really hope we have nothing in here, guys. Oh no, we have 3 dirty ass towels. All right. Well, this is what we're working with. We're not using this one because it has yellow paint on it. All right. Fuck. Shit, I should probably call it. Then I'm gonna use these two stupid microfiber towels. Like, this is not gonna work. Oh man, I meant to bring my camera and I forgot it. I am just messing up tonight. It's not mine. Oh wait, look at that. What's that? This one's a little dirty, but it doesn't have any things on it to scratch up my car. So we got 3. All right. We'll do the wheels tomorrow. I'm too tired. Doing it with these 3 towels was exhausting enough. Like, my mistake for leaving. Sucks that I forgot to bring a towel. Just leave it over there. This looks sick. I gotta vacuum that. That's so bad. Ooh. The humidity is making the camera have flares. Let's see. I don't like that angle. Let's do it upside down. Well, that's a nice one. To 3x. Oh, that's a nice one. Always love the front on. Tip angle. Never really take photos with the back, but I might have to today because I'm tucking now, guys. Oh, how that looks. That's it. Let's try to porch it out. That looks pretty sick. Ooh, I like this one a lot. One cinematic. We're going home, guys. That's gonna be it for this video, guys. Kind of just wanted to make a video for fun, like a random night. It's a random Thursday night, and I just wanted to clean my car and kind of just go for a drive. So I thought I'd take you guys along since I've never really done that kind of thing before. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys have any questions or anything, let me know. All my photos, by the way, I edit them with Lightroom. I do Photoshop too. Like, the Photoshop AI is pretty sick, by the way. But yeah, if you guys have any questions, just drop a comment below. I'll be happy to answer them. But I'll see you guys in next week's video. Peace.